Lamdam sigi miyam tanaramdana Shillongi red land laiba Manipur Rajbari thugai khibagi mayokta mafamadu da laidiba meitai singna protest tokre lengang na anoba Rajbari gi sanglen sanana bohotna riba khudingmak lepnana ba amadi chenaba official sing chairak pinaba demand tawrakli Amarom da watho asigi matang da yengsinaba Manipur gi governor na semkiba miyoi manga na saba committee da Shillong da laidiba meitai singsu yauhannaba taksilakli Manipuri elders Consortium Shillong amasung Shillong Manipuri Students Union na sinduna chatakiba protest aduga mari lenana Manipuri Elders Consortium Shillongge convener Munishna Manipur lengak na thugai kraba Rajbari ge sanglen ase nau na sana na ba amadi hanagi phivamda hanjinnabagi matangda committee ama governor na semlakiba adu taramna oi Hariba committee aduda art and culture amadi planning department ke official sing yauhaliba ase makoina asoiba tauraga mana pibagumbani Maramaduna committee asida yauriba department ani asigi official sing logthokadabani loinana committee aduda yauriba official sing aduna watho asigi matangda nongma laklamlaga hankigani Asugumba fiba masi lakadaba laibana watho asigi achumba wayel pangnana bohotnabada Shillong da laidiba Manipuri singbasu committee aduda yauhangadabani haina fongdorakli
We are grateful to Honorable Governor of Manipur. Somehow he have formed a monitoring committee, where certain peoples are involved. But again, in that we would like to urge that particular officials from Planning and the Development Authority are also included there. So it's like, they have done the mistake and we are giving them the prize. We don't want that. So we want them to remove from the list. And secondly, if in the committee only members from Manipur are listed, then what they do is they will come here for one day, next day they will leave. So we need people, Manipuri, Meitei people here who are staying here should also be the member of this committee to ensure that every now and then we monitor and see that the work is, carried on diligently.